So here, I'm going to set up first the Windows 10. And here's the process. So after I set up the Windows 10, I go to VirtualBox and create new, and here I set the virtual machine name and go to ISO image to browse the ISO file that I have downloaded. So here I've set the base memory into 4 MB and the number of CPUs into 2. And after that, I've checked the specification of virtual hard disk if it is correct and click finish. So here I just check the settings and I click start to proceed on installing the Windows 10. So here I'm starting installing the Windows 10. Here is I need to choose the operating system that is needed and just click next and accept the license terms and next and choose the custom install. So here just wait until it turns to 100 and click restart now to continue installing the Windows 10. So here just wait. So here is the continuation of installing. As you can see, this is to set up your personal information or use. So you're going to set up your name and password here and just click next and some security questions that is needed for the safety of your Windows 10. So here, I almost done installing the Windows 10. So now that I'm done installing the Windows 10, and as you can see that the Windows is not full, so we need to make it full. Here's the full process on how to make the Windows full. So now that the Windows is totally full, just click finish. And it will reboot. And go to your user.